Okay, first set po ngayon. First 5 now. Number 25, si Bilaro. Number 25 ng Guild State. And many more verses. 29, 5, 16, 23. And si Bulawan naman sa Austin. Okay. Number 29, number 5. 2 points, sinubo lang. 2 points, number 5. Then si Bondok. Lalabas muna pa ang bolang yun. Bondok to Eugene. To Eugene again from Bondok. Okay, tinatry po niya ngayon ang bola. Number 25 to number 10 si Bilaro. 3 points kagad na minahan natin Bilaro. Dapat lang. Number 20 naman, bumawi naman siya. Wala. And si Eugene. Eugene, binabatan ni number 23. Eugenio to Bondok. Bondok, alley play. Nako, malakas. At nasa ilan siya. High flyer po pala siya. Si number 25 ng Spencer to Bulawan. Dish of pass. Walang pinasahan. Balik po muli po tayo sa JPX TV Spencer. Ito po ninyo si Bondok. Si Bondok. Bilaro. Eugenio. Number 25. Post up play to Bondok. Nope. Wala. Okay. Out of bounds. Balik po muli po sa Austin. Austin ball muli po tayo. Number 16, Bulawan, no. And tuloy pa rin ang bola. Nakuha na ng 23. Ay, si Bilaro. Nagmamag si Bilaro. Bilaro to 25. No. Bulawan to Feliciano, side step move, dish of pass. Number 16, and offensive foul ang tinawag ng dakilang referee. Offensive foul called on number 26. Okay, balik muli po sa Spencer ang bola. The score is 2-3 pa rin. Wala pa rin pong pagbabago. Wala, hindi na ba sa bola? Okay, ito naman tayo. 23 muli tayo. 23 to Bondok to number 16. Austin, leading the pack. Almost sa duo. Cassandra. Wala. Football pa rin. Bilaro. Bondok, nagmamadali to Bilaro. Sumibat na 3. Yes, sirree! Back-to-back 3 points already been posted ni Gerald Bilaro. Stalwart po yan ng Carrefour Games. Bulawan to Habana. Habana, wala. Ayun, si 25 for the rebound. Okay, ito na. Eugenio may tangan ng bola. Si Eugene. Walang pinasahan. Balik po muli po sa Austin ang bola. Yellow ball muli po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Okay, dala po tayo ngayon dyan. Canopy Vlogs po, good evening po sa'yo. How are you, Madam Sandra? We miss you a lot here in Qatar. And hope you... Wala pa rin, kinapos pa rin. Mga malabis Bulawan. Eto na si Bondok. Stripped away. Kambao, good evening po sa'yo, sir. Strain ball po tayo. Stripped away yung bola sa kanya. Wala pa rin akong battery pack. 25. Pops up. No. Rebound. Number 23. Habana Harana. Okay, ito na. Si 24. Si Bulawan. The Golden Boy. Foul called on number 25. Number 25. Ashgal.
Number 25.
Big 25 called for the foul. Bulawan shooting for 200 po ng McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar po, love pa natin to. And also, of course, MC Cuisine. Ang aming lasay, laging sigurado, MC Cuisine. Okay, second throw, jumpers ready. Malamig pera si Bulawan. The score right is 2-6. Back-to-back 3 points si Bilaro, yung 6 po nila. Bulawan, okay. Basket made. Okay, now, again, si Eugenio to Bulawa, Bilaro, to Eugene, Eugenio. Bilaro naman na yung mag-isa. Malakas. Habana for the rebound. And number 16. Number 16. Number 16, Mokoro rather. Mokoro, side step move. Walang pinasa, walang tinamaan. Bundok. Pagmamadali. Bundok. Eto na, nakuha muli. Nanakawan. Mokoro, Cassandra, power move, palpal ni Eugenio si Mokoro. Kiwi, power move. It's a foul call, pushing foul called on Habana.
Pushing foul number 23, Habana.
23 Habana called for the foul. Solidong katawan, ika nga bultong katawan. Eugenio to Bundok. Slipped away. It's a foul called. Foul called. Sumabit ka, boy, sabi ng referee.
Foul number 25.
Foul number 5, Feliciano. Called for the foul. Peewee shooting for 200 po ng Giannis Gumitiyo. Team Spicy, Team Original. Mamili po kayo. Giannis Gumitiyo. And also, sama na po natin ang MC Cargo, ang yung padala laging safe at sigurado. MC Cargo. Okay, Peewee. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo ngayon. Mr. Peewee. Nope, it's out. What a rebound by Bulawan. Bulawan, driving in. Bulawan, Feliciano, palpal na naman. Pero sumabit si Eugenio. Si Don Eugenio sumabit po. Si Don Eugenio sumabit po. Free toss naman po ni Feliciano, courtesy of course Kata Sublimation by Ziranyada and AC Kitchen, quality pampagana sa iyong hapagkainan. AC Kitchen po yan. Basket made, Eugenio. The score is 4-6. A relatively low scoring first half of the first quarter. Let's see, after they're gonna pick up the pace. Eugenio for the rebound. Eugenio is a foul called. Foul Bulawan, 24. Bulawan called for the foul. First person ng palabuyan. 4 team fouls po already ang Team Spencer JPX TV. Eugenio. Okay, shifting mula. Posing up kay Bull. Kay ano. Nako, and traffic. Nako, nilipili siya ng bola. Mokoro kapos. Rebound din number 25. Eugenio na yung mag-isa. Eugenio sinagasa. Wala. Kunin pa rin. Kiwi 2 points. Peewee for 2 points and change 5 po tayo. Yanson kay number 28. Edilio number 20, number 0. Edilio pops up, malakas. And out of bounds, same ball po tayo. Second half 5 na po tayo yun. Sila JP nasa loob na rin. Ayun! Wala pa rin. Rebound already ni JP Cristobal. Tomas Cristobal, 100, pasok ang bola. Balik. Siko. Bravago for 3. Wala. And to Benamer. Ayun, pinasahan. Mali, pinasahan. Mali, pinasahan niya. 25. Wala pa rin. To JP nagmamadali. JP, power move. Wala. Baka kapiyata sa ibang liga. Okay. JPX TV shooting for 200 po yan ang JPX TV. JPX lang ang Sakalam and Winax Apparel. Don't get out from my house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winnax Apparel. Yung sa Tagalog, huwag kang lalabas ng bahay pag di mo suot ang Winnax Apparel. Huwag kang lalabas ng bahay pag di mo suot ang Winnax Apparel. Cristobal, second throw, pasok ang bola. Swak sa banga. Emi Edilio, number 0, the drive. Ayun, sa ilalim, wala. JP. Number 9, wala pa rin. Ravago for the rebound. Wow, a very relatively slow. Up. Same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball. Ravago for the inbound. HB Kicks, good evening po, sir. Yan pong HB Kick. Op! Si Daisy, may tawag po si referee sa baba. Number 25 is a holding foul called. Yanson shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng Coach Mike Movement, Master Doubles of Basketball, and 3 John's Barbershop. 3 John's Barbershop, the only person 100% Pinoy-owned barbershop here in Qatar. 3 John's Barbershop po yan. Okay, ayun, sayang. One more time, 0. Ayun, binuot ang kalaban. Number 0, 2 points. What a power move. Binigay number 0. Benamer. Cristobal, 100 naman. Pasok ang bola. Swak sa banga. Hop! It's a foul called again. Foul number 9, pushing foul. Number 0 for the inbound for Austin. Austin to Edilio. Edilio, power move. Hindi, number 1, stripped away. Na yung mag-isa, malakas ang bola. Cristobal, JP Cristobal, side step move. Benamer, fade away shot, pasok ang bola. Mighty Mouse Benamer. Okay, eto na. Edilio, wala. One more time. Pass, always. Stop. Hindi na po maabot. Sayang ang bola. Last touch po ni number 0. Same ball po tayo para sa JPXTB Spencer. Okay, now to Benamer. Number 9. Number 7, JP. Side step move. 2 points again. 2 points, JP Cristobal again. Nope. Pamalo, nope pa rin. Parang sarado rin sa kabila. Kailangang butasan yan. Tomas. JP, 100 naman. 2 points again. And it's a timeout called by Austin. Si number 28, Edilio to Ravago. Dictating the pace to Edilio again. Edilio. Number 0. Wala pa rin. Foul called. Pushing foul called. Ravago called for the pushing foul. Penalty situation for Team Austin. Again, JPEG Steve Andrea, hadug po yun ng PLB at Pinoy Legends Basketball League and Imprint Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Bibigay yun yun. Okay. Second throw, no good po tayo. Edilio. Ravago. Ayun, pumasok din sa wakas. 3 points, Ravago for 3, pasok. Benamer. Nakuha almost. Side step po, nakuha ni Rabago. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Edilio, wala. Nakuha ni Benamer ang bola. JP for 3. Nope. Ayun, magaling. Number 1. 29. Rabago to number 28. Side step move. Number 1. Wala pa rin. Benamer pops up. 2 points again. Rabago. 5 seconds remaining. Rabago. Lost the ball. Same ball. Last touch ni Benamer. Last touch po ni Benamer. God. Nope. Okay, that's it. End of the first quarter. Giliena, number 11 to Eugenio, number 7 again to Bilaro. Eugenio, Bondok, Kiwi, nope. Ayan si coach. Fabiano, and pops up number 12. Wala ka, boss. Eugenio for the rebound. For the rebound, Giliena pops up. Wala. Bilaro almost. Piwi. Taku, malakas ang pasa. Nice play sana, pero malakas ang pasa. Boss. Sir, baka bumigay po po. Baka bumigay po ay yung mesa. Sorry ako. Ay! Outside, out of the bounds. Naging soccer po ang basketball ngayon. Okay, Bulawan for the rebound, for the inbound to Kiambao. Si Kiambao, nagpapakita na rin. Kiambao, ayun! Intercepted. Bondok to Giliena. May tayo ng bola. Giliena po tayo yun, Giliena. And Bilaro. Giliena to Bilaro. Wala, pilasahan na naman. Kalas. Kiambao, palpal sana. May foul naman pala. That's Kiambao. Forward na po natin to. Mas maganda. Eugenio, first team foul. Kiambao shooting po yun ng Iowa Nation and Lux Choice Apparel. Iowa Nation, bloggings, and many more events po rin po yan. You can so sponsor any events po. And also, Lux Chloe. Bulawan offline ang shot. Lux Chloe. Yan po ang ating apparels and caps, bags, and many more. Giliena, getting space, no good. Bulawan, the golden boy. To Kiambao. Yun, nakapasok din. Okay, 10 na po kalabangan po ng JPEX TV, second quarter action. Bondok, no good. Giliena, Bilaro, short stop. No, wala pa rin. Okay, Okay, Kiambao will save the traffic. Siya na magano ng traffic po si Kiambao. Kick pass to number 3. Nakuha ni Bilaro ang bola. Bilaro. Uy! Bilaro shooting for 2. Gracia called for a foul. This free throw is brought to you by the following sponsor, Lombard Restaurant. Coming soon ang pababalik po ng Lombard Restaurant. The Lombard, the new face of Blooming Barako in town. Yan po ang Lombard Restaurant. Tagtama po ang Team Spencer. Ando po yan ang following sponsor, Lombard Restaurant and HB Kicks. From Jordan to LeBron's, HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. Okay, Bilaro, second throw. Bilaro, second free throw. Wala. Wala pa rin. Gambao. Garcilia, no. Ayun si Gambao. Gambao, clean space and one play made. Basket made si Gambao. Eugenio go for a foul. Okay, this is brought to you by HB Kicks and Cup Bar by Loming Barako. Gambao! Gambao! 4-point play made! Back-to-back field goals by Gambao. Okay, now they open up. Okay, medyo nagpipick up ng Facebook ngayon. Bilaro for 3, pagpal! Eugenio naman na tumira na. Tapos, ayun si Piwi. Nice shot by Piwi. Bulawan versus Piwi. Malakas. One more time, number 12. Wala. Piwi. Foul call by number 3. First person na pala po yan. Giliena for the inbound to Bondok, to Giliena. Giliena muli po tayo. Piwi, malakas ang pasa, pumasok ang bola. Piwi, stolen po yung Guild State po pala. And now Gargiano, Chicano, no. Eugenio, ito naman, Eugenio. On the run, Piwi. Hoy! King. And many more is watching. Eugenio, shot po dyan. Giliena, wala. Ayun, si Gambao. Gambao na naman, nagmamadali. Gambao! No! Ayun, si Bilaro. Bulawan and one playmate kay Bulawan naman. Nice shot by Bulawan, the golden boy. Okay, ako po Qatar and also Imprint Advertising. Okay, kaya pa? Kaya pa? Sige, Yossi ka pa, sige. Bulawan bonus free throw coming up. Eto na. Pasok. Patok. Pasok at patok. Pasok na pasok. Swak sa baka. Giliena. Bondok. Bondok. Ayun. Malakas ang pasa. Don't look now. Austin Ball muli po tayo. Lamang na lang po ng 7 ang Austin via 3-point play ni Bulawan kanina. Lalamang na po ng 7. Lalamang na lang po sila ng 7. 3 lang po ila nga. Oh! Offensive foul call! Offensive foul call! Offensive foul call! Offensive foul call! Sabi ni ref. Balik tayo sa una talaga. Okay. That's Thomas to, of course, si Benamer. JP. Number 9. Traveling violation. Traveling violation called by number 9. Okay, balik ulit po sa dalawang bola. Number 1 to number 16. Mokoro, number 28. Pass number 3. No. Ayan, JP. JP, nagmamadali. JP, tap from behind. Okay, bumalik tayo. Number 28. 2 points. Number 28. Simple but elegant shot. It's 2 points. By number 28. Tomas, number 26. Pops number 3, the lefty. Pasok ang bola. parang pamatay sunog ang ginawa ni Tomas. Mokoro tap from behind. Benamer. Benamer. Wala. Okay, 2. Same ball po tayo. Tomas to number 9. Number 9 stripped away. Tumama sa hita, balik muli po sa dilawang bola. Edilio, number 5. Ayun! Nice! Malakas ang pasa! Sayang! Number 25 called for the foul. Again. Second personal pa lang po yan. 2 free throws by number 1. Nope. Handog po yan na McDonald's Qatar. MC Carg, MC Gusin, and Janos Gumitiyo. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Okay, 7 na naman ang kalamangan nila. 7 na naman ang kalamangan nila. Benamer to Tomas. Benamer. Number 9. Pops up. No. Ayun. Si fresh 14 second. Foul shot clock. Nakuha ni number 16. Intercepted. Malakas ang pasa. Balik pumuli po sa puti ang bola. Malakas ang pasa kasi. Okay, number 1 to number 26. JP pops up. Bang! 2 points, JP. 28. Number 5. Banging bodies. Number 29 for 3. Bang! Sige! Bumawi kagad. Okay, 6 na lang. 6 muli ang kalamangan ng JPX TV Spencer. 24-30. Number 9. Still completed. Ayun. Number 1 ang kasapasa na naman. Too much. Oy! Stepping violation. Stepping violation. Pamalik po ulit po sa Austin ng bola. Mokoro for the inbound. Inbound po si Mr. Mokoro. Mokoro, Feliciano. Yes, sirree. Okay, 4 na lang ang kalamangan ng Spencer JPX TV. Benamer. Tomas to Benamer. Touch pass. Benamer naman. Wala. Ayun. Si Mokoro. Mokoro, number 28. 28, number 5. Palpal. Same ball. Nice D by Spencer JPX TV. Number 5. Number 5. Ayun! Maling pinasahan. Nakuha. Ayun. Nakuha. Nakuha number 29. 29 to number 16. 16 pops up. Malakas. Offline. Okay, time out to po. Nag-time out po si Spencer. Always at the Burning Season International School in Doha. Sa Mansura po yan. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Tomas to Benamer. Benamer to Tomas. Ayan na, si number 25. Number 7, JP pops up. Pasok na naman. A perfect field goal still by JP. Wala pang mintis yata ang ginagawa ng bata. Okay, 28. Ayan na, 29. Malakas. Nice pass. 1-on-1 situation. 3-on-1. Malakas. Foul called. Batala pang matangkad. Feliciano, 3 na po siya. Tomas. Cristobal. No. Ito na naman. Feliciano, mag-isa. 2 points, Feliciano. Sinubo na lang ang bola. Okay, again, 4 na naman ang kalamangan ng JPX TV. Tomas, kay Benamer. Benamer, nakalusot. Ayun, tap from behind. Nice interception. 2 points. 2 points, number 29. Austin, training by 2 points only. Benamer. Ayun, nakawala. Nakawala rin lalo. Intercepted. Mokoro. Mokoro, tabla ang laban. Benamer. Number 9. Number 9, driving. Number 9. Wala. 25. Foul call. Ball number 29 ng Austin. Penalty situation. Austin. Peñular shooting for 2. Handog po yun na MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging sigurado. And Qatar Celebration Sportswear. That's uniforms of all kinds of sizes, shapes, and sports. Handog po yan ng Qatar Celebration Sportswear by Ms. Z. Ranyada. Second shot, jumpers ready for the lead. For the lead again by Peñular. It's pasok. Okay, lamang muli po na isa. 5 seconds remaining. 28. 28. Number 1, sayang. Out of time. End of the first half. Just passing kay Kiamtao. Okay, Kiamtao already now. Directing traffic po tayo yun. Ito na. Kiambao. Kiambao, pops up. Wala. Okay, same ball. Still, same ball, same ball. Same ball, touchless po ni Piwi. No. Rebound to JP. JP called for the rebound to Benamer. Benamer, kinapit ni Kiambao. To JP, to Bondok. Bang! Nice shot by Bondok. Gado to number 29. No. Rebound ni Kiambao. Power move. Power move done by Kiambao. Number 1, si Mr. Benamer. Foul called. Ravago called for the foul. Ravago called for the foul. Second personal foul. Piwi shooting for 2. Hando po yun ang defining sponsor. Bago po ito, Lux Chloe Apparels, and of course Iowa Nation. Vloggings, events, and many more. Ando po eh ng Iowa Nation. Okay, second throw po ni Piwi. Jumpers ready po tayo. Basket made. Gado. Kiambao. Janson. Pops up. Pasok. Nice one. Traveling violation. Lamang pa rin po ng dalawa ang JPX TV Spencer at 8 minutes 24 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. First game pa lang po ito. Stampi pa rin second game po mamaya between Kapsat and Janice Gumay. Kiambao! Ball number 25, Piwi.
First hit foul.
Kiambao.
Si number 29.
Gado. Bang! Okay, don't look now. Laman na po. Kings Favor po tayo. Laman na po ng Austin ng isa. Tomas. Benamer. Bundok na naman. Wala. Piwi. Foul called on Piwi.
Number 25, Enrique. Third, personal foul. Second hit foul.
Kiambao shooting for 200 point na parang sponsor. Lombar Loming Barako Restaurant coming soon. Ang pagbabalik po ng Lombar, the best tasting Loming Barako in town. Lombar Restaurant.
38-40. 2 points lead for Steve.
And also both free throws made. Laman na po ng tatlo ngayon ang Austin. Benamer, JP, creating space, intercepted. Gado, nagatay muna ng rest back. Ayan si Kiambao, pumasok ang bola. Pumasok ang bola kay Kiambao. Tomas. Pops up, Dob, ayaw niya. Benamer, Bondok, nakalusot, floater. Good ball. Nakuha ni Bulawan. Naku! Kalala. 2 points Kiambao, laman po lang 7 ang Austin. Benamer, kapos. Substitution made now. Bondok, labas muna, Gilena in. Pinagpay muna sa Bondok. Quality minutes made by Bondok. Gado number 0 to Rabago, wala. Ayun, si Bulawan. Foul goal kay Tomas. This free throw is brought to you by sponsor. Of course, nandiyan po ang Marlica Cargo, ay yung padalagin si Patsigurado, and Cotton Sablay Sports by Mizira Nyada. Sama na po natin ang AC Kitchen. Kung ano yung pampagana sa iyong hapagkainan, AC Kitchen po yan. Bulawan, second throw. Pasok pareho.
Substitution.
The score is 47-38, a 9-point lead. Been posted now by Team Austin. Team Austin laman na po ng siyam kagad. Benamer, Gilena for 3. Pasok ang bola. Panggising yan. Gilena, ginigising ang kanilang kakampi. Gumising daw tayo, kundi tayo matatalo, sabi niya. Ito na po, and Bulawan. Kakasaguran, and to Gado again. Gado! No! Rebound, tinawag 25. Ayun kay Bulawan! Wala pa rin! Ayun! Kasauran, 2 points. 49-41. Laman pa rin po ng 8 ang kalaban. JP Johnson for the rebound. Gilena muli. Wala. Foul called. Holding foul called. Number 0. Gado called for the foul. JP Johnson around to Gilena. Nope. Nakuha ni Kiambao. Kiambao nagmamadali. Kasuran, nakuha ni Piwi ang bola to JP. JP and Dalawang play sana, pero hindi po pumasok ang bola. Shooting for 2 si JP ngayon. Ando po yan ang JPX TV. Winaks apparel at samlo ng Coach Mike Movement. Coach Mike Movement, matching the moves of basketball. Benemer, nilabas muna para kay Mr. Eugenio. Cristobal, shooting for 2. JP, first shot. Okay, first shot made. Second throw, jumpers ready. Sabi rito, pasok niya si Von Shaver Chicano kahit pila yan. Kaya yan, sabi niya. Okay, sabi po ni Okay, nice shot, Bulawan. Kiambao. Bulawan to Kiambao. Bulawan naman, nope, it's Gado. Kiambao against Giliena. And foul call to Eugenio. Sabi ni Steso siya, idol number 15, naglalaro kahit lakad varsity pa rin. Ha. Okay.
Substitution. 15 out, Feliciano in.
15 out, Feliciano in po tayo. Takin lang po tayo, Sir Feliciano. Kakataka ng pilis na bidad. Okay. Kiambao, number 28. Floater shot, no. Bulawan. Feliciano, binapatan ng Giliena. Bulawan, na yung mag-isa. Wala pa rin. Tatapikan. Kasauran. Bulawan. Nakalusot si Bulawan. Wala pa rin. Kasauran. Wala pa rin. Rebound na ni Piwi. Giliena. Cristobal. Pops up. Nope, ayaw niya. Cristobal to Giliena. Ayun kay Piwi. And one play dito naman. Eyeing the sky plate. Dalawa na yan sa gabing ito. Bulawan. Kiambao. Pops up. Nope. Feliciano. Tuloy ang bola. 10 seconds remaining. Kiambao. Gado. Kasuran. Nope. Nako ni JP ang bola. JP. Nagmamadali. Si JP na naman. JP. Giliena lost the ball. And to na 28. Edilio, nagantay muna ng rest back. Edilio to Kiambao. Pops up. Nope. Feliciano. 2 points Feliciano. Power move. Ginamitan na nilang laki. JP. Bangs it in. 3 points JP. The score at 15:47. 4 points na muli ang kalaman po ng Austin at 2 minutes 41 remaining of the third quarter. Balawat, pumasok din sa wakas. Bulawan, 2 points. Eugenio, JP, pops up. Nope. Unang mintay si JP. One more time kay JP naman. JP again. JP, sidestep move. Nope. And it's a foul called by Giliena. Kasauran shooting for 2. Ang dupuer ng Tignes Barbershop and PLBL. Sama na po natin ang imprint advertising. Second round ni Kasauran, jumpers ready po tayo. Sabi ni Ceso siya, pakipasok si number 23 na Austin. Winning time na raw. Si Habana.
na lang.
Hop! Si Daisy.
Spencer score.
Teka.
Malakas ang pasa. Balik pong lipo sa JP ang bola. White ball muli. White ball. White ball. White ball po tayo. White ball. Number 7. JP. Power move. Ayun kay Peewee. Sinubo lang ang bola ni Peewee. Pampihira yan. Parang ano. Para may spring yung mga ano. Mga binti niya. Edilio. Feliciano. Kasahuran. Stop from behind. Foul by number 25.
Ball is number 25.
Penalty situation.
Personal foul, penalty.
Free throws kami pandugpon na Acropas Qatar and Kapeng Braco by Lombard. Sama na po natin ang HB Kicks. From Jordan's Lebron's HB Kicks, had it all for you. HB Kicks. Kasauran, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Score po is 55-49, 56-49 rather. Kasauran, second throw, pasok pareho. 57-49. 8-point lead muli po ang kalamangan ng Austin, the Yellow Boys. Ang tropang Dilawan. Eugenio, Cristobal, pops up for 3. No! Ayun na, number 10 na nagmamadali. Kasauran for 3. Bang! Sini! Okay. Almost had it. 3 seconds remaining. Eugenio, sabi siya na maglalabas. Eugenio. Ayun! Muntik pa. Ito na. Giliena. To Bilaro. To Giliena again. JP. Penular. Kapos. Foul call on number 15. Number 15 called for the foul. First team foul po yan. Peewee for the inbound. Peewee. Bilaro, na yung mag-isa. Nope, it's JP. Nakuha ng pick. Ayun, malakas. Bilaro, steal the ball. To Peewee.
Nice one.
Malakas. Isa pa, palpal. Yung number 1. Si Daisy, out of bounds. Yellow symbol po tayo. Symbol po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Giliena for the inbound. And to JP. Giliena pops up. Nope, ayaw. Peewee. Okay, a foul again called. Jersey number 1 called for the foul. Kick pass, Benamer. Benamer pops up. Malakas. Nice rebound by number 15. Edilio. Walang pinasahan. Iwi, palpal, almost got it. Foul number 12.
Second personal foul,
Okay, this sprint is brought to you by McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, and Jonas Gumetio. Iwi, no. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Wala. Oh, basket not made. Iliana. Edilio. 0. Nope. Vilaro. Kick pass. Benamer. Benamer. 2 points, Benamer. Marami pa akong kinakanan yan. Okay. 7 minutes 57 remaining. 7:55. Gado. Gado again. Bang! Sinin! Gado. Si Kapitan Gado, pumasok na naman na kayong 3 points. Piwi. Pinato na lang. Good ball pa rin. Rebound number 1. Si Kimi naman. Okay, banat na. Edilio. Ha! Ayan na. Edilio. 2 points again. Back to back. Field goals ng Austin na naman. 14-point lead na been posted by Austin basketball team. Benamer. Jay Pilaro nakapasok sa wakas. Ayun, number 1. Blocked by number 25. JP, sidestep move. 2 points, JP. Okay, timeout na called by Austin. Austin leading by 9 points. Ito na po tayo. Ito na. Ayun na. Nakawala muli. Kick pass kay Benamer. Sayang. Kinanan kasi. Gado na naman. Naku. 3 points again, Gado. Gado, 3 points. Ayan, pinasok sa number 20. Sabi ni Soso, shot. Okay. Pilaro again for 3. Ayaw muna. Binabat niyan kasi. Again, one more time. Knock on the check. Up. Good ball. Bulawan. Palpal. Bulawan shooting for 2. Bulawan shooting 100 point ng Jonas Gumetio again. MC Cargo and Qatar Sublimation may Mizira Nyada. Bulawan, first shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pumasok pareho. Okay. 56-70, 14-point lead again been posted by Spencer. Hi, by Austin rather. Austin. Laman po ng Austin ang 14 ha. To clarify lang po. Okay, eto na. Eto na. Hoop. Cristobal, pops up. No, ayun, kinapos. Rebound number 28. Number 24, may tahan ng bola. Si Bulawan. To number 0, si Gado. Si Gado, Kapitan Gado. And nako ni Piwi ang bola. No, nako ni Bulawan. 2 points again. Nice passing. Napakabilis ng pasan. Kaya hindi ko na-interpret ang ginagawa nila. Eto na. Piwi naman. Foul called.
Violation number 24.
24 called for the foul. Bulawan, Piwi shooting for 2. Courtesy of ANC Kitchen. Kung alin pampagana sa yung Hapagkinan and JPX TV. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw by Enriquez.
Nope. Off night. Wala. Bulawan again for the rebound. Number 20. 20 traveling variation. Okay, 25 now. Pumasok muna para kay Habana, number 23. Si Benamer for the inbound. Benamer to number 25. To Benamer. Benamer number 1. To number 7. Cristobal. Number 25. Wala pa rin. Bulawan. Bulawan zigzagging. Edilio. Number 0. Si Gado. Ang kapitan ng bayan. Si Kapitan Gado. Now to number 29. 29 for 3. Bang! Sirin! Okay, time to call by Spencer JPX TV. Okay, ito na po tayo. 25. Nice team, Austin. Sabi ni Vin Ginebre. Sabi ni Sasa Show, night-night naman daw. 25. Power move. Ayun, pumasok din sa wakas. Kaya pa yan. Rally lang isang rally maganda. Magwelda kayo. Sige, magwelda. Bulawan, no. Nag-drive, pinasa muna. Naipit. Ayun si JP. Nagmamano JP. Side step move. 2 points JP. 15. Sige, isa pang rally kinakailangan nila. Isa pang rally daw, sabi ni Coach Joseph. Number 29. 29 pass from 3. Bang! Sige! Saan nang gagaling yun? Yung mga balang yun. Para may tangatagong bala na pinapanood. JP, 25, 2 points, 25. Balik po ulit po tayo kay number 28 ng bola, 78-62. Laban po ng 16. Eto na, Ravago against Piwi. Dako ng pick. Ravago naman. Wala. Ayun, si 25. To JP na naman. JP nagmamadali. Thomas. Took. Lost the ball. Austin ball muli po tayo. Again, to number 28 rather. 28 side step move. Malakas ang pasa. And now nakuha po ni Piwi ang bola. Piwi. Uy. Okay. Anspo called. 28 called for an Anspo foul. Pahinga muna siya. Number 25 shooting for 2 plus ball possession po yan sa Team JP Spencer. JPX TV Spencer rather. Pahinga muna siya 2 minutes po. Piwi shooting for 2. Okay. Okay, basket made. Second shot ni Piwi.
Second throw by person number 25.
No shooting. Uy, sayang. No shooting, Paddy. Mark Anthony Cruz Rabago. Pagod na, kaga. Kay Utoy. Tama. Pwede. Mamili man pala siya. Okay. 7-8-6-3 at 15 point deep posted. Okay, ito na po tayo yun. Peewee. Pops up. Bang! Sige! Tulang. Long two. 70-65. Lamang po ng 13 ang kalaban ng Jake, ang Austin. Foul call sa baba. Benamer called for the foul. Kiambao, nagan mamapasan. Kick pass, ayun. Nakulit Tomas to JP. Kupos. One more time. Ay. Sayang. Okay, last 2 minutes. Get his back. Okay, Rabago, offensive foul called. Rabago, offensive foul, halatado, binalikat ang bata. Tomas for 3. No. Okay, wala, ano na yan. Okay, bilis. So, that's safety na. Safety basketball po tayo. Safety na lang po. Safety, Feliciano, 2 points pa. Feliciano, 2 points. Cristobal to Peewee. Wala pa rin. Peewee muli. Wala pa rin. Wala talaga. Malas talaga. Okay. Malas Peewee. Feliciano. Pops up. Pimasok pa. 3 points Feliciano. Okay. Safety basket na po tayo. Foul called. Rabago. Penalty situation. Benamer for 2. Andupuer and the following sponsor. Winax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, and 3 Johns Barbershop. First throw ni Benamer, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Benamer, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok pareho. Okay, 50 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Habana naman, malakas. Garcia, wala pa rin. Okay, 2 points. Garcia, 2 points.
35 seconds.
33 remaining. 32 seconds. 30 seconds remaining. JP. Okay, that's it.